So Sarai and Eli is about to go into the fair. You see the little sheep? Oh, it's a big sheep. Is it big? Don't put your finger. It's gonna think it's a carrot, Eli. It's cute. That's a llama. It's so big.
Is that what you were doing? It's a little bit bigger. Don't talk to him. You got a hot day. Hunter, what sound were you making? Mommy, look at that one.
Yeah, you did. So this is an alpaca fur. And looks like this is a llama fur and this is a sheep fur.
That was quick.
The cricket.
Yeah, grab it.
You drop it? Is it eatable?
Yes, yes, absolutely. We're sampling it.
Okay, you gonna eat the cricket, Sarai? You gonna eat the cricket?
What do you think, Mr. Wiley? Good?
It's good. It's like a potato chip.
Okay, I'll try it. No, I'm not trying it actually. Try it, Sarai. Try it, Sarai. Oh, Sarai ate the cricket. Good job, girl. High five.
Oh, have one of the chili flakes.
Ooh, you coloring? Good job, Eli. Got some butter sculpture. You guys come look at this is butter, you guys. Come look.
Butter.
That's butter. Alright, come look on this side, you guys. What else do you see? Look at the babies.
And there's the mommy.
That's the mommy sheep, and look at the little babies. Aww. So cute. Isn't it cute, you guys?
There's a spider.
Hmm?
There's a spider on the baby sheep.
There's a spider on the baby sheep.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
How do you get the spider out?
Wait, no, that's a lamb. Sorry, what are they?
And they're Conan and they're eating. That's fine.
They're eating hay?
Oh, there. No. I think the paper.
That one's itching. So you guys are gonna pick up the bean bags and throw it into the hole, okay?
I take Dylan's from all the
Oh! Oh, you got it. Good job. Now pick it up and go far away. Go far, far. Stand over here. Pick it up and come over here. I'm gonna try. Oh! Okay, go try again, Eli. Good job, you guys. My turn. Oh, I missed. I missed it. You won?
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh no, I lost.
Ooh, the chickens. Ooh.
Chicken.
Those what makes the eggs you like to eat, Sarai? You see? What are you holding?
These windows in my bag.
You want you
Put those in my bag.
want to put it out in your bag?
Yeah.
Is that what is that, Eli? That's a big carrot.
Look at that one.
You see?
Chicken. It's a dog.
Oh, sleeping?
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Don't put your nose too close, Eli. Oh. Look, they walk together, you guys, like you. Which one is Sarai? Which one's Eli?
Mine is that.
Yeah, they look like you guys. That's how you and Eli walk. You guys walk the same. Don't put your finger there, Eli. Oh, that one's beautiful, right? Yeah? You don't want it no more? Okay. Let's say. It said cock-a-doodle-doo. Are you guys having fun? Look at, that's the same color as your clothes. What, same? It's looking at you. It's looking at your apple. Alright, let's go to it, Eli.
Voice. What? Yeah, I can even take his voice away. Because you're a puppet. What? You're a puppet. No, I mean, we can switch voices. Switch voice? Here we go. You ready? I'm ready. Okay. Did you do it yet? No, I'm waiting for the right moment. Oh, okay. Here we go. You guys hear that? That was awesome. A nice little bite. Perfect. All right. That wasn't so bad, was it? Can't count. Okay, he's gonna pull one way. I pull it. Ow! What was that? Oh, sorry, you were just pulling so well it slipped out of my hand. That's not in our face. They're laughing. You're gonna be perfect for this trick. Can you do that cool thing you did with your head before? Flip it back. I'll put the apple into it. Very good, Maya. Just like that. Now don't move the muscle. Everybody else be very quiet. Here it is.
Yeah, keep try again. Eli, you need more food?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.